Hae Rosae, Hae Rosae, Hae Rosae, Hae Rosae. So what? Alright, you guys, so in this video I'm going to film a brow tutorial. Some of you guys have been asking how I do my brows, and I always do them first because I kind of get a little messy sometimes with my eyebrows because this is very hard to do. But I always clean it up with concealer, so let's just go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Brunette. And I take this on the front end of my brows. So what you want to do is you want to do very light strokes at the top and the bottom. So I'm going to start at the bottom. And then I'm going to fill in starting from the back. I'm going to kind of push a little hard right here and then go a lot softer when it goes more to the front. So now for the end of my brows, I like to take this e.l.f. brow pomade. This is in the shade Espresso. Ooh, the lid's dirty. This is in the shade Espresso. And I'm going to take this brush. It's a Salon Perfect brush. I got it at Walmart, I think. Alright, so this has a spoolie at the end and a angled brush at the other. It's very thin. So I like to take it and put it on a flat surface. I usually put it on my mirror, but for today's sake, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. So I like to do this and make my brush as flat as possible on both sides. And then I go to the end of my brow. Alright, so as you can see, this side got a little bit messy, but that's okay because I'm going to clean it up now. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This isn't the shade I normally use, but I can't find my shade. I usually use something that is my skin color and isn't lighter than. But this is lighter than my skin color. And this is all I really have right now, so I'm going to use it. So I'm putting the concealer on the back of my hand and once again making my brush as flat as possible. And now I'm just going to clean up everything. And also, when you're doing this, wipe the excess brow gel that you get on your brush off because then you'll just be spreading around the brow gel and it won't look good. I don't know why I keep calling it brow gel, it's brow pomade. Ugh. Alright, you guys, so this is my finished tutorial. Just in case you guys like need another little extra tip, I always like to touch up my brows at the end of my makeup because I end up getting powder on it and stuff, and I just touch it up with my brow pencil. So yeah, this is the finished video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!